Imagine generating full mobile and web app designs, just from a prompt. Whether you're a designer looking to save time or kickstart ideas faster, Google Stitch can do just that. Let's walk through how I created a clean, luxurious UI for an anti-tarnish jewelry brand, from prompt to Figma. I started by crafting a prompt using ChatGPT. The idea is simple: give Stitch clear instructions about what you want. For this app, I wanted something elegant and minimal, showcasing anti-tarnish jewelry. I specified the look and feel, color palette, key screens, and user experience goals. With that, I was ready to bring the idea to life. Next, I headed to Google Stitch. I pasted the same prompt, selected mobile and web platforms, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, boom, Stitch gives us a set of beautifully laid out screens. Each artboard is structured, styled, and ready to edit or explore further. You can easily customize the UI, switch between light or dark mode. Change color palettes, adjust border radius, or swap out fonts. These small tweaks let you quickly match your brand's style. And the best part, you can regenerate just one artboard using an updated prompt. So if the home page needs more banner space, or your product screen needs a wishlist icon, just edit the prompt for that screen and regenerate. Simple and powerful. Once you're happy with the layout, simply copy the artboard into Figma. It's fully editable. You have control over every element. Fonts, padding, colors, and even auto layout settings. This is where you refine your design, add final touches, and make it your own. It becomes your playground. Now, Stitch isn't perfect. Sometimes results can be a little off, maybe layout overlaps or components miss the mark. But here's the trick: experiment with your prompts. Rewrite, tweak, and iterate. It's like brainstorming with a very fast assistant. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes a super helpful tool. Google Stitch is a huge time saver. Whether you need inspiration, want to kickstart a project, or even build an MVP layout, it gets the ideas flowing fast. It won't replace designers, but it will definitely speed us up. So try it, experiment, and let your creativity take the lead. If you found this helpful, hit like and follow for more design workflows and AI tools. And if you're a designer exploring new tools like Stitch, let me know what you'd build with it. Happy designing!